Hey everyone! I'm here again to show you the different techniques to further blend our colored pencil using tissue paper and baby oil. I made a video prior this content showing how I created these sunrise, moonlight, and dawn effect using colored pencil. So if you have seen that video, this is part 2 already. If not, you may want to check out that video in my channel as that is the part 1 of basic blending, just to give you an idea. Okay, so now we have this as our template. And I'll be showing you the effect when we use tissue paper to rub on the colors. Usually, this technique is used to flatten the rough surfaces of the colors. So this will lighten it up or create a matte effect. Do change the tissue surface from time to time to start with a cleaner blend. I know by the naked eye, you may not see yet the difference, but wait for it as I will show you later side-by-side photos so you may compare. What I like also by using tissue is that it creates a glow effect very naturally, as you can see now in our sunrise and moonlight. Now on to our comparison. Do you see on how the blending became smoother? It created a matte effect and sort of lightened up, or it flattened our colors. The pencil strokes are almost less visible by now. Okay, so now I'll take you guys one step further and use baby oil. You can use the less grease type. Just put an ample amount into the cotton buds and gently rub it on the paper, starting from our lightest shade going to the dark. Remember to start on the lighter shade. This is very important. Because we have oil and cotton, it will absorb the color. So you may want to change the cotton buds if it already absorbed too much color, or if you'll be moving on to a different color family. I sort of went overboard outside the circle just to show you this effect, but it will be nice to apply this inside the circular outline, so we will have a cleaner look after. Now here is our finished look using oil. Do you notice the difference? It sort of became like a painting finish and the strokes are almost gone, very much finer in texture. It also sort of darkened our colors as compared to the other two because of the oil. But sometimes though, this technique might come in handy in different occasions of your output. So there you have it. Which of the three do you like better? Do comment down below which mode you best prefer and why. And if this video has enlightened you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and watch out for more upcoming contents. Thank you for watching and see you!